The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.
Well, lawsuits in Georgia are trying to keep President Obama off the election ballot, claiming he is not a natural-born citizen. Late last week, an administrative judge ruled that the president should appear in court at a hearing here in Atlanta. And today, one man involved in the legal proceedings said the question centers around divided loyalties. Well, Fox 5's Paul Yates explains.
Computer repair shop owner Carl Swinson is a Republican activist in Clayton County and one of the people arguing that President Obama's name should be removed from the Georgia ballot this year.
He is either eligible or not, and that's what this judge has to determine. And if you want to call it frivolous, you can call it what you will.
He and others contend the president does not qualify as a natural-born citizen because his father was from another country, Kenya.
It's very, very important. And the reason for that being important is that the founders wanted to preclude the possibility of us ever having a president with divided loyalties.
His case and others are to be heard this week by an administrative judge. That judge, Michael Malahy, has now refused to block a subpoena from another plaintiff requiring the president to appear in court in Atlanta. In an order, Judge Malahy said of the president, quote, defendant's motion suggests that no president should be compelled to attend a court hearing. This may be correct, but defendant has failed to enlighten the court with any legal authority. Earlier, the state Democratic Party produced a website response to the complaints here.
Do you know what happens when Republicans are forced to run on the issues? Democrats win. That's why Georgia Republicans are filing frivolous lawsuits attempting to remove the President of the United States from Georgia's ballot in 2012.
Many lawsuits have been filed across the country regarding the president's citizenship status, so far without success. In Atlanta, Paul Yates, Fox 5 News.
The Atlanta lawyer representing President Obama could not be reached for comment today. The ballot challenges are to be heard in court this Thursday.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.